Hello everyone. Welcome to our BrightMind learning class where learning becomes easy, smart and fun. Are you ready to become a math champion? So here in this channel we will learn amazing math topic like fractions, large numbers, decimals, geometry and many more math topic. So let's begin our exciting math journey together. Are you ready? Okay, so let's start. Okay, so today's our topic is fraction. What do you mean by fraction? Fraction is a very interesting topic and I will teach you in a very easy language. So let me introduce to a fraction. Okay, so tell me first, have you ever shared a pizza with your family or have you eat fruits and candy? Yes? Or cut the pieces of pizza and candy? If yes, then you are already used a fraction in your real life. A fraction shows a part of whole. So let's understand fraction in a very interesting way. Imagine your favorite pizza filled with cheese and olives. Everyone loves lots of cheese on pizza, right? And little bit loves olives, right? So here I will draw a one round pizza here. I will draw a round pizza and I will cut this pizza into four equal slices. Here I will cutting this pizza into four equal slices. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So let's see, 3 slices of pizza I will fill with lots of cheese. See, this is yellow color and this lines. I will fill with 3 slices of pizza with lots of cheese. Right? These lines, imagine, these lines are cheese and only one slice of pizza filled with olives. This one slice of pizza I will fill with this olives. Okay, so this red dots, imagine these are olives. Okay, so we can ask ourselves what fraction of this pizza has olives here on it. Well, we have 4 total slice. How many slice? We have total 4 slice. They all are equal. They all are equal slices. We have 4 equal section here and one of those equal section has olives. So we could say 1/4 of this pizza has olives. What we could say, 1/4 of this pizza has olives. One-fourth of this pizza has olives. Okay, so well, someone said that fraction of this pizza has only cheese. No. Well, this fraction has cheese, but it also has olives, right? So we won't count it. Then we have 1, 2 and 3 fraction of these 3 equal pieces have only cheese. How many slice we have cheese? We have 3 pieces of slice we have cheese. So could you say that 3 out of a total of 4 pieces, 3 out of, we could say that 4 pieces of pizza and out of 3 out of total of 4 pieces. So 3/4 of the pizza has only cheese. 3/4 of the pizza has only cheese, right? So every fraction has two numbers, right? Every fraction has two numbers. Here this one number and this is two number. So let's example, every fraction has two numbers, 1/4. So the top number is called the numerator. Top number is called the numerator. It tells us how many parts we have. What it tells us how many parts we have. And the bottom number is called the denominator. It's called the denominator. It tells us the total number of equal parts. It tells us the total number of equal parts. So let's do a couple of more example, okay, because this is probably one of the most important and one most useful ideas that you have in your plan. Let's do another few example. So let's here, now I will draw some fruits, okay. So let's say that I have an orange, okay. So I will use orange color and I will draw over here one orange. See, this is orange, right? And I will also draw one banana. I will use yellow color. Yeah, this is banana. It looks like banana, okay. Now I will also draw one lemon here also. So I will use yellow color only. This is the lemon, okay. And let's draw one apple also. Here I will draw one apple. Apple is in red color, okay. See, this is the apple. Now apple. And okay, so let me draw one papaya also. Here I will draw a papaya. See, this is papaya, okay. So now I will draw also over here let's draw some grapes, okay. I will draw here some bunch of grapes here. This is the grapes, right? So I have draw here, how many fruits I have draw here? 6 fruits. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 fruits. So and if I ask you fraction of my fruit that I have is, let's say, yellow color, okay. So what fraction of my fruit is yellow over here? Well, we could say that we have 6 pieces over here. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 fruits are over here. So there's a total of 6 pieces of fruits. And then what fraction of these of fruits are yellow? Well, I have drawn over here 3 pieces of fruits. So that 3 of the fruit is yellow. 3/6 of the fruit is yellow. 3/6 of fruit is yellow. Right? So, hope you understand this fraction. Okay, so let me do one more example to just really make the point clear. So, I will draw a candy bar. Okay, so let me let me draw one candy bar here. Okay, so let me divided it into 5 equal pieces. So I will divided this candy bar in 5 equal pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, see, here are the 5 equal parts. Okay, so this is the candy bar. Let's assume that these are equal pieces. Okay, so let's fill these 2 pieces of candy with lines. So I will fill these 2 pieces of candy bar with lines here. This is blue lines. Okay, so well, I have total of 5 pieces of candy and I add 2 pieces of candy. So let's assume this lining piece of candy I have eaten. Okay, so what we could say that we have eaten 2/5 of how many candy bar pieces? 5. 2/5 of candy bar I have been eaten. Here is 2. 2/5 of the candy bar have been eaten. Right? Okay, so hope you understand and fraction and all are clear for you. So let me take one more example over here. So there are, let me draw some flowers over here. Okay, there are 6 flowers in the garden. Okay, let's imagine 6 flowers. So I will draw over here 3 flowers are in red color. Here these are the flowers. These are the, I will draw here red color flower, and rest all the flowers I will draw in yellow color. Okay, 3 flowers are in a red color and 3 flowers in a yellow color. Okay, so total flowers are here 6. Okay, so you tell me what fraction of the flowers are red. Okay, so what do you tell me? How many fractions of the flower over here? What fraction of the flower are red? Okay, you tell me. What number comes in the box? Okay, give me your answer in my comment box. Okay, hope you understand this fraction topic. Here I have also share a PDF of fraction topic to understand you better. You can check inside bar with more example. That all. Okay, so that's all for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson and learned something new. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to BrightMind Learning. In our next video, we will learn some more topics of fraction with easy tricks and fun example. Until then, keep practicing, keep smiling, and always remember, every big achievement begins with one small step, and every my champion starts by learning one number at a time. Thank you for learning with Bright Mind Learning. See you in next video. Thank you so much. Thank you.